In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your team's meetings in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started by controlling meeting access with a feature known as the lobby. During your meeting, you'll want to click on the Controls tab located in your taskbar and select More Settings. This is where you can manage how people enter your meeting. Look for the option labeled Who can bypass the lobby. Here you can choose a more restrictive setting such as Only me, people in my organization, or people I invite. By doing this, you'll create a virtual waiting room, meaning you will have to manually admit participants. This step is fundamental in ensuring that unwanted guests do not gatecrash your meeting. Next, let's talk about managing presenter permissions. Still within the same Meeting Options menu, you will find a setting titled Who can present. Limiting this option is crucial. You can set it to Only me or Specific people. This will prevent participants from accidentally or intentionally sharing their screens or taking control of the presentation. Remember, maintaining control is key to keeping the meeting focused and secure. Now let's move on to locking the meeting. Once all your invited participants have joined, navigate back to your meeting controls and select the option to lock the meeting. Once you lock it, no new participants will be able to join the meeting, even if they possess the meeting link. Locking the meeting is especially important for sessions that require a high level of privacy and security, so be sure to do this if you feel it's necessary. Finally, let's discuss how to disable anonymous join. If it's in line with your organization's policy, it's important to turn off the Allow Anonymous Join option. This feature ensures that only signed-in users or trusted, vetted guests can enter your meeting. By doing this, you can ensure that everyone attending is identifiable and accountable, which ultimately enhances the integrity of the meeting environment. By following these steps to protect your team's meetings, you can significantly enhance the security and control you have over your meetings. Each of these features plays an essential role in creating a more secure meeting space, helping you maintain focus and ensuring that all participants are who they say they are. So remember to use the lobby feature to manually manage who enters, set presenter permissions to keep control, lock the meeting once everyone is in, and disable anonymous join to vet guests properly. Incorporating these measures into your meeting practices will help you conduct a safer and more organized session every time. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content.